Here's Blackbird app, Blackbird XYZ, the way to pay at great restaurants. Always earn rewards, never wait for the check. So you can see it's featured in many companies. So you can connect with restaurants, discard the ones that match your dining personality connects to them. You can even DM for reservations check, and then you can earn rewards. The more you check in, the more you get treated like a regular, and then you can earn flight token, which you can spend at Blackbird restaurants. So that's the idea, kind of like, yeah, you can see all the rewards, and then you can just download the Blackbird and VIP dining rewards. So it's available on iOS, and you can then just double click to install it. Pretty cool new app, which is getting into the charts. New York, Charleston, San Francisco, and everywhere soon. So here you can just open it up. Just can't sign up for this app yet. So maybe you need to only be based in US and only be based in the cities where it's available. But yeah, pretty cool. So try it out.